Hello dear fans. How the Black Sea appeared. The Black Sea is one of the most volatile and unstable. A thorough study of its bottom allowed modern scientists to draw up a picture of the transformations that took place for centuries, affecting not only the flora and fauna of the sea, but also its coastal zone, which was reflected in the climatic zone. Instructions. Step 1. The origin of the Black Sea took place about 2 million years ago, when, as a result of earthquakes, the Crimean and Caucasian mountains appeared from the ancient ocean Thesis, which bore the name of Neptune's daughter. Over time, a small salt lake became desalinated, being saturated with the waters of the Dnieper and Danube that flowed into it. Step 2. About 7,000 to 8,000 years ago, the Black Sea was inhabited by freshwater flora and fauna, until, as a result of a powerful natural disaster, it again changed its nature. The rapid melting of ice, which occurred around 8122 BC, led to a rise in the water level of the world's oceans in general and the Mediterranean Sea as well. As a result, the rushing streams of water, demolishing all obstacles in their path, burst into the previously closed Black Sea basin. According to some reports, their speed was 200 times higher than the speed of the waters of Niagara Falls. It is this event that is described in the Bible as the flood, presumably occurred in 5500 BC. As a result, the Bosphorus Strait was formed between the two seas, and the water level in the Black Sea rose by about 140 m. At the same time, its area increased by 1.5 times. Step 3. Most of the inhabitants of the Black Sea died due to the sudden influx of salt water. Covered with a multi-meter layer of remains, the seabed turned into a lifeless desert, inhabited only by a special kind of bacteria that produce hydrogen sulfide. Since the mixing of the water layers was impeded by the special directions of the Black Sea currents, the huge black zone formed at the bottom turned out to be conserved. Currently, only the surface layer of the sea is inhabited, up to 200 m deep, with a maximum depth of 2,212 m. Some researchers attribute to this fact the modern name of the Black Sea, assigned to it no more than 500 to 600 years ago, which in ancient times was known under various names. Step 4. At the time of the Scythians, it was called Scythian, later Russian. The ancient Greeks called it an inhospitable sea, Pontus Exinski, hostile to inexperienced pioneers. With the development of navigation and the development of coastal areas, it was renamed the Hospitable Sea, Pontus Yuzinski, or simply Pontus Sea. The Turks called it Karadengiz, which also meant black, inhospitable, since for them it was much colder in comparison with the Mediterranean Sea. Thanks for watching.